Today we'll be taking a quick look at the Anbull rivet nut tool with 12 metric and SAE sizes. It's simple in design, easy to use, and because it has very few moving parts, there's no worries about failing. One thing that's good to know is that some hand rivet nut tools unscrew from the finished riveted nut automatically and some are unscrewed manually. This one is manual, which requires less moving parts. The tool is straightforward and easy to use. Just open the handle, thread on a rivet nut all the way down, insert it, squeeze the handle, open it back up, and you can unthread it. And then into sheet metal or thin plastic, you can bolt yourself anything on there like a bracket. Here's a close-up shot of what those rivet nuts look like from the backside. The rivet nuts can be used on various thin materials like this plexiglass. Here's a quick side view of how that process works. To change sizes, simply remove the nose piece, and I'll try to stay out of the way. This is the nose piece. And then you can slide this guy back in here, and that allows you to turn this mandrel out of there. And the new, we'll move these over, we'll get the new size out, a nose piece and a mandrel. Slide this back again. And we'll insert that, and that slides over that mandrel real nice. Not sure if you can see that, but slides over it. Insert the nose piece, thread that on, and again open it up and thread on the rivet nut. And finally, the tool features a little gauge that can help you determine whether the rivet nut is set or not. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the Anbull 607 hand nut riveter. And if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.